What are the conservation concerns for ducks? Have you ever watched ducks take flight and wondered what challenges they face? Ducks are fascinating creatures, but they encounter several conservation concerns that impact their survival. One of the biggest issues is habitat loss. Wetlands are vital for ducks as they provide breeding, feeding, and shelter. Unfortunately, many wetlands are being drained or altered for agriculture and urban development. This reduces the available habitat for ducks significantly. For instance, the prairie pothole region in North America is crucial for breeding duck populations. However, it has seen a dramatic loss of wetlands and grasslands, leading to declining numbers of ducks. Climate change also poses serious threats to ducks. Changes in weather patterns can affect water availability and food resources. Droughts and altered rainfall can dry up wetlands, making them unsuitable for nesting and feeding. This has been particularly evident in areas like California's Central Valley and the prairie pothole region. Here, water shortages have reduced the quality and availability of habitats for ducks. Invasive species and introduced predators further complicate the situation for some duck species. For example, the Campbell teal, a flightless duck from New Zealand, faced near extinction due to introduced rats. Conservation efforts have included predator control and captive breeding to help restore populations, but the risk remains. Pollution is another concern impacting ducks. Contaminants in water bodies can harm duck health and reproductive success. Moreover, hunting can also reduce populations, especially for rare or endangered species. Proper regulations are essential to ensure that hunting does not threaten duck populations. When it comes to duck flight identification, these conservation issues affect how many ducks we can see in flight. Loss of habitat can lead to fewer ducks migrating or breeding in certain areas, making it harder for birders to spot them. Conservation programs that protect wetlands and grasslands are vital for maintaining healthy duck populations. This, in turn, ensures that birders have opportunities to observe diverse species in flight. Practical conservation efforts include protecting and restoring wetlands, implementing voluntary conservation programs on agricultural lands, and managing water resources to maintain wetland habitats. Programs like the Conservation Reserve Program have shown success in supporting duck populations by incentivizing farmers to conserve wetlands and grasslands. Ducks face many challenges, primarily due to habitat loss, climate change, invasive species, pollution, and hunting. Protecting wetlands and managing landscapes sustainably are key to supporting duck populations and preserving opportunities for observing them in flight.